all, today's topic is isomerism of metal complexes. What is meant by isomerism? That is the compounds having the same chemical formula but different physical and chemical properties due to the different structural arrangements are called isomers. That is the compounds having the same chemical formula but different physical and chemical properties are called isomers, and this phenomenon is known as isomerism. And the scientist Alfred Werner classified these isomers into two major types. The first one is stereoisomerism and the second one is structural isomerism. And each of these is further classified as shown below, and the stereoisomers are further divided into geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, and the structural isomers are further classified into linkage isomerism, ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism, and the last solvate or hydrate isomerism. Let us move on to structural isomerism. What is meant by structural isomerism? That is the isomers having same molecular formula but different structural arrangement of atoms or groups of atoms around the central metal ion are called structural isomers, and the structural isomers are further classified into first one ionization isomers. The ionization isomers means the compounds having the same molecular formula but forming different ions in solution. That's called ionization isomerism. And this type of isomerism is due to the exchange of groups between the complex ion and the ions present outside it. And a typical example of this compound is CONH3 5 times SO4Br and CONH3 5 times BrSO4. Here there is exchange of groups between complex ion and the ion outside it. These two isomers could be differentiated by a simple test, that is, an aqueous solution of the first compound when treated with silver nitrite to give a pale yellow precipitate of silver bromide. That is, this Br- combines with silver to form a pale yellow precipitate of silver bromide, and the second one gives a white precipitate of barium sulfate when treated with barium chloride solution. That is, here the sulfate combines with barium to form a white precipitate of barium chloride. Thus, the ionization isomers are the compounds having the same molecular formula but give different ions in solution. Okay, the next type is linkage isomerism. The linkage isomerism is exhibit in compounds having a ligand molecule containing more than one atom which could donate an electron pair, which is called an ambidendate ligand. For example, NO2 minus, SCN minus, CN minus, etc. that contain more than one possible site of attachment. In this case, in this example, NO2 minus, that is here the either nitrogen or oxygen atom may act as the donor. Hence, there is a possibility of isomerism. That is, the compound having same molecular formula but differ in the mode of attachment of ligand to the metal are called linkage isomerism. The Some other examples of ambidentate ligands are SCN minus NCS. That is, here sulfur can attach to the central metal atom, and in the case of NCS minus, nitrogen can attach to the central metal atom. The next part is, or next type is, coordination isomerism. That is, in a bimetallic compound, both complex ions are, that is, both cation and anion are complex ion. In such case, the distribution of ligands between the two coordination spheres can vary, giving rise to coordination isomerism. Here, there is an exchange of ligands between the two coordination spheres. That is called coordination isomerism. Here, the both cation and anion are complex spheres. For example, ZnH3 4 times 2 plus CuCl4 2 minus. Here, the exchange of ligand takes place to form CuNH3 4 times 2 plus and NH3 4 times 2 plus ZnCl4 2 minus. Tetramine zinc 2, tetramine cuprate 2, and the second compound is tetramine copper 2, tetramine zincate 2. And a special type of coordination isomerism occurs due to the difference in the placement of ligands in a bridged complex. That is called a coordination position isomerism. Here, the exchange of ligand takes place between the bridges. For example, NH3 4 times CO, OH twice, CO, NH3 twice, Cl2. Here, one chlorine molecule is exchanged between two metal. That is Cl, NH3 4 times, CO, OH twice, CO, NH3 twice, Cl. Okay, that is, in coordination position isomerism is polynuclear compounds having the same molecular formula and same number of coordinating groups and are distributed in a different way around the metal ion are called coordination position isomerism. Next type is hydrate isomerism or solvate isomerism. It is somewhat analogous to ionization isomerism but involves the interchange of neutral solvent molecule with a negative ion. And it is illustrated by taking the three examples. First one is CrCl3 6H2O. Second one, CrH2O 5 times Cl, Cl2H2O, and the third one is CrH2O 4 times Cl2, Cl2H2O. Here there is difference in the number of water molecule inside and outside the coordination sphere. And the first compound does not lose water molecule when stored over concentrated sulfuric acid. That is, concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. Here there is no water molecule outside the coordination sphere, so it does not lose water. And in the second compound, it loses 1 mole of water when stored over concentrated sulfuric acid. Here there is only 1 molecule of water outside the coordination sphere. And the third, it loses 2 molecules of water when stored over concentrated sulfuric acid. That's all about structural isomerism. Let us move on to stereoisomerism.